Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget Chromebooks, but which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget Chromebooks. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
The fifth product on our list is the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. This is our best budget Chromebook. If you're looking for an inexpensive but versatile laptop, the Lenovo Chromebook Duet is a great affordable option. Priced around $250, this 10-inch Chromebook comes with a detachable keyboard, making it extremely versatile for different uses and adding to its great value. The magnets are strong, making it a good tablet cover, but the keyboard itself is quite small, so it does feel a little cramped, especially if you have large hands. Performance is quite responsive and snappy, although you may experience the occasional stutters when multitasking, but at this price, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Battery life is great for a full day of use. You'll get about 10 hours, but mileage will vary depending on how it's used. The key features are, under the hood, you get a MediaTek Helio P60T processor with integrated ARM G72 MP3 graphics, 4GB RAM, and 64GB of SSD storage, plus one USB-C port. 2-in-1, the Duet flows seamlessly between tablet and laptop, and the strong hinge means you can work comfortably with the device on your lap. Portability, the small form factor and strong hinge make the Duet a great option if you're constantly on the go and need to be able to work in different environments. Display, the 16:10 aspect ratio, 1920 by 1200 resolution screen gives you more height to work with than the standard 16:9 and is really bright with 400 nits, so it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Versatile design, the detachable keyboard makes it really useful for a variety of applications. Integrated speakers, the two Dolby audio speakers deliver decent sound for a small and thin laptop. The small form factor makes the Chromebook Duet extremely portable, and the detachable keyboard only adds to its versatility, making it ideal for you to work anywhere from a cramped bus bench to your couch or your desk at home, all at an attractive budget price. The fourth product on our list is the Acer Chromebook Spin 311. This is our best value Chromebook. If you like the functionality of the more traditional 2-in-1s over a detachable keyboard, then the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 is a versatile option for you with some impressive performance and features for its price. Currently priced at $270, the Spin 311 gives you the option of working in laptop mode, display mode, tent mode, and tablet mode, depending on your tasks. It has an 11.6-inch touchscreen powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 CPU with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, but you can always upgrade to the 64 gig model like the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. The keyboard on the Spin 311 is a joy to use. The keystrokes are satisfying, and for a smaller device, you can still type comfortably for prolonged periods of time without feeling cramped. The screen brightness is a little disappointing. It's not as bright as the Lenovo, but for indoor use, it should not be an issue. Images are detailed despite the lower pixel count, with nice saturated colors on the 1366 by 768 IPS display. If you want full HD resolution, stick around for the 2-in-1 Asus Chromebook Flip C434 coming up next. The key features are, under the hood, you get an Intel Celeron N4020 processor with integrated graphics, 4GB RAM, and 32GB of SSD storage. Display, the 11.6-inch HD IPS display features a damage-resistant antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass touchscreen. Ports, there are 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, plus a micro SD slot for extra storage. Keyboard, fun and satisfying keyboard to use despite the smaller size. Battery life, 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Wide-angle webcam, it supports HDR imaging for enhancing video calls. The Acer Chromebook Spin 311's 360-degree hinge lets you rotate it to any angle, giving you the versatility and functionality of a 2-in-1 laptop, and solid performance to make it ideal for work and study at home use at an affordable price. The third product on our list is the Asus Chromebook Flip C434. This is our best 2-in-1 Chromebook. If you're looking for one of the best Chromebook 2-in-1s, the Asus Chromebook Flip C434 may be one of your best options. The $500 Flip C434 is built tough. It has an aluminum body, thick and strong hinges, and weighs in at a lightweight but sturdy 3 pounds. The aluminum finish gives it a premium feel, and the strong hinges help stop the screen from shaking during regular use. This Chromebook comes with a 14-inch 1080p touchscreen and surprisingly slim bezels. It's powered by an Intel Core M3 processor, 4GB of RAM, and a 64GB eMMC for storage. Although eMMC isn't as fast as an SSD for storage, Chrome OS helps bridge the gap. The keyboard is solid and backlit with 1.4 millimeters of key travel, which makes typing long memos and papers more comfortable and responsive. The touchpad has multi-touch support, plus has intelligent palm rejection, which comes in useful when you're typing in less than optimal environments that may be more cramped. The key features are, under the hood, you get an Intel Core M3 8100Y processor with integrated graphics, 4GB RAM, and 64GB of eMMC storage. Ports, there are 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports, plus a micro SD slot for extra storage. Nano Edge display, you get a 14-inch display and a 13-inch body. The Full HD display features ultra-slim bezels for a near borderless experience with bright colors and impressive darks. Great build quality, aluminum body and thick hinges make this Chromebook feel premium. Strong battery life, you'll get up to 10 hours battery life with mixed use. Keyboard. Good, responsive keyboard lets you type for hours without fatigue. If you're looking for one of the best 2-in-1 Chromebooks around, the Asus Chromebook Flip C434 packs in a premium build, flagship keyboard, precise 360-degree hinge, strong battery performance, and a 14-inch Full HD Nano Edge display packed into a 13-inch body for maximum portability. The second product on our list is the Google Pixelbook Go. This is our best overall Chromebook. If you're looking for one of the best Chromebooks around and you don't mind paying a bit of a premium, then the Google Pixelbook Go is a great option for you. Currently priced at $640, the Pixelbook Go packs all of the features you'd expect from a top-of-the-line Chromebook. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, it is lighter and thinner than most 13-inch laptops on the market, but still feels premium thanks to the magnesium alloy lid. The grippable design makes it extremely easy to slip into your bag or backpack for portability. The performance is suited for everyday tasks, with the base model coming with an Intel Core M3 processor, but can be upgraded to a Core i5 or i7Y series, which is ample for even photo editing. This keyboard is an absolute treat to type on. It features backlit hush keys designed for a smooth, quiet typing experience. The Pixelbook Go also has great key travel for a thin and light laptop, making it comfortable and fun to type on, even for prolonged periods of time. The Pixelbook Go features the Titan C security chip, plus you get built-in virus protection so you can rest assured your data and passwords are safe. The key features are, under the hood, you get an Intel Core M3, integrated graphics, 8GB RAM, and 64GB of SSD storage. Display. The 13.3-inch 1920x1080 16:9 touchscreen is capable of running Android games and videos at 1080p that's glossy, bright, and colorful. Great battery. You get up to 12 hours of battery life, plus a 20-minute quick charge gives you an extra 2 hours. Keyboard. Excellent keyboard. Backlit hush keys make it smooth, quiet, providing great key travel and fun to type on. Battery life, a great keyboard, and Google's engineering help make the Pixelbook Go one of the best Chromebooks available. You do end up paying a little extra, but for its price, you get an excellent machine that fully takes advantage of Chrome OS. The first product on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook. This is our best premium Chromebook. Blurring the line between Chromebook and laptop even further than the Pixelbook Go, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook comes in at $800 and sports some premium features. Right off the bat, Samsung equipped this Chromebook with a gorgeous 4K OLED touchscreen. All 13.3 inches of this premium device look stunning, with the vivid colors and sharpness that Samsung's displays are famous for. The screen alone might be worth the price tag, quite frankly, but buyer beware, a powerful 4K AMOLED display also comes with a wild battery drain. Even though Samsung claims an 8-hour battery life, you'll likely be getting closer to 6 because of the gorgeous screen. At a mere 0.38 inches thick and just shy of 2.3 pounds, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is one of the thinnest in the world. Combining this lightweight design with an aluminum frame makes it an undoubtedly beautiful device. On the inside, the Galaxy Chromebook is rocking a 10th generation Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB SSD, crowning it as the most powerful Chromebook on this list. The Galaxy Chromebook has no fan, so under a heavier load, it tends to heat up as a result of its high performance. The key features are, under the hood, you get an Intel 10th generation Core i5 with Intel UHD graphics, 8GB RAM, and 256GB of SSD storage. Display. The 4K AMOLED touchscreen is absolutely gorgeous with true-to-life color and crisp, clear details. 360 flip and fold design. You get versatile functionality with laptop, audience, tabletop, presentation, and tablet modes. Build quality. The thin aluminum body screams premium. Built-in fingerprint reader. Streamlined security settings for quick, typo-free access. Pen included. The stylus features 4,096 levels of pressure and tilt, so you feel like you're writing or drawing on real paper. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is a feature-rich device worthy of its higher price tag with high-end specs, a stunning 4K AMOLED touchscreen, 2-in-1 versatility, all in a premium design and build.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.